Okay, so check this out. I just got this for free at Tractor Supply. 49-piece impact bit set. Was originally $11.99, marked down to $9.49, and then they had everything with the yellow tag 75% off, which would have made it like $1.62. And then I had a $2 rewards, which they applied, and I ended up getting it for free. But check this thing out, it's pretty cool. If you need a bit set, let's see if I get it open here. It comes in this little, looks like a little bucket. It's probably not the best quality in the world, but hey, it'll do. It says impact. I don't know if I would use it as an impact, but pop it in your drill or your little bit driver. Sounds like a deal to me. Check out your local Tractor Supply. They got tons of stuff 75% off. I also got a Bernie jacket, originally 89 bucks. I think I paid $17.50 for it. So yeah, check it out. Hope it helps you. Thanks.